Yeah, he pulled an award up in South Bend Auto Show. Dedication Car Club. Check him out, man. Dinero Sucio. We go put it on there. Look, he got the 2 pumps, man. He looking good back here. Got his hyphonic set up. The pumps, batteries. Man, he laid out. Check him out. If you ain't seen it, now you see it right there. It is Dinero Sucio. Woo! Killing it in the streets today. Yeah. Andreas was around here a minute ago. I seen him. Usually he stayed pretty busy, especially when there's a group of people. And he got the new insides done. He's been working on that. I seen a picture of it the other day, so check him out, guys. We got to get him. Ooh, he got his trophy sitting back there too. He's starting a collection, man, all over again. Check out the inside. Look what he did, man. Yeah, check him out, man. Andreas, that looks good, brother. I'm digging it. Look, he's starting to get the panel over here on this side. He's getting to it, man, little by little, time and money. You see him, there's his trophy. He got the cups painted up. He got them in the cup holders today. He must have been thirsty. Yeah, got his back dash wrap. I see got the white on it. Looking good, brother. Looking good. Got it matched up with the box.
We stand out like bird shit on a black shoe.